Hello, today I'm going to show you how to push start your Audi A3 or S3 Sportback or any other car with a manual transmission. Push starting, also known as bump starting, wall starting, clutch starting, popping the clutch or crash starting, is a method of starting a motor vehicle with an internal combusting engine and with a manual transmission, and with a mechanical fuel pump and a mechanical driven generator or alternator. In our case, we're going to push the clutch, okay, and the ignition is still on, and the car will not start automatically when we go to start it because the battery is so much empty. For this case, we can make a push start. It's really easy. We have to push the car forward manually by using some guys out there. They are pushing the car, or you're rolling down a hill a little bit, and then you can start your engine by push starting. Okay, now we perform this. We release the brake pedal, we switch to gear number 3, and then while we are running a little bit, we are leave the clutch pedal, and the engine will start automatically after this. This is the push starting or the bump starting thing. It's easy, as you can see, and you can perform this if your battery is nearly empty. So we have to push it, and then we have to release the clutch pedal while we are moving the car, and then the engine will start as soon as possible, as you can see. And now we can driven around a little bit. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.